English Idioms Unveiled, Understanding Enough is Enough. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, enough is enough. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or even come across it in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? Let's explore this phrase together, ensuring you can use it confidently in your own conversations. Enough is enough is an idiom used to express the limit of tolerance or patience. It's a way of saying that a situation or behavior has reached an unacceptable level, and no more will be tolerated. It's like drawing a line in the sand and saying, "This is where it stops." You can use enough is enough in various situations. 1. Personal boundaries. When someone oversteps your personal boundaries, and you need to assert yourself. 2. Professional context. At work, when a colleague's behavior or a project's setbacks go beyond what is acceptable. 3. Public scenarios. In response to social issues or events when the collective patience of people wears thin. Let's see how enough is enough is used in sentences. After the neighbor's music blared for hours, Maria went next door and said, "Enough is enough, please turn it down." The manager declared, "Enough is enough," after seeing the sales team miss their targets for the third consecutive quarter. While using enough is enough, remember, context is key. Use it only in situations where tolerance has been exceeded. Tone matters. This phrase carries a strong tone. Ensure it's appropriate for the conversation and not too harsh for the situation. Enough is enough is a powerful expression marking the boundary of tolerance. Whether it's in personal life or professional scenarios, understanding and using this phrase appropriately can help you communicate your limits clearly. We hope this exploration helps you feel more confident in using enough is enough in your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and happy speaking.